Okay, we arrived at our second destination for where we're going to stay here in the Tamarindo area. We are staying at the Pipe House, a little different and unique opportunity to stay up here in Playa Grande. So actually we're right off the beach here, so I'll go ahead and show you the beach later on. But let me go ahead and show you what the room looks like. All right, this is the entryway to the little mini resort here. And they have these big drainage pipes that are used as rooms. So they have 9 of them, and we are in the one called Naranja, which is the orange room, which is right here. There you go. Let me go ahead and show you what this looks like. All right, and this is almost like a capsule hotel that you'd find in Japan. All it is a bed, right? And they have a couple towels over here, and they have a lamp and AC unit. And this is it. This is just a concrete slab. Yeah, and just big enough for the 2 of us to sleep here. And that's about it. And in here they have curtains that you can undo so that at least you can have some privacy when you're in here. You have to untie here. There you go. And you can just go ahead and do these blackout curtains. There it is. All right, and this is it. This is our unit. Pretty cool. And they have 6 units over there. And right now they also have surfboards available for rent. And they have a couple hammocks out here that is communal. Also, they have a communal kitchen as well as a communal bathroom. So let me go ahead and show you this communal kitchen over here. All right. So they have a communal refrigerator, and they have a toaster oven over here, a sink, and all they ask is for you to make sure to clean up after yourself. They have a little stove over here and a kitchen area for your cutlery. And the local bats are hanging out, sleeping.
Saturday.
So
we have a week, so we decided
here you go.
Loop around.
And they have some hammocks out here and a social area to sit down, relax. And also they have a workout center here. Kind of old school type of workout equipment. They have log weights. See how heavy. This is a 35-pounder. Oh, I don't know if that feels 35 or not. But I thought it'd feel a little bit heavier. That's 35-pound, 25-pound. Yeah, and they have wooden weights over here. Yeah, these are wood. Never seen this before. So these 40-pound bench press weights that are made of wood. Huh? That's so cool. And they have a dip station over here, and the weights over here. Very nice. And the incline bench and sit-up station. Also kind of nice social area over here with the concrete slab. You hang out, chill up here. And also you can play checkers over here. A very communal space. So I think this is a great environment for backpackers or people that are coming to meet people from different parts of the world and spend time. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go down here outside of the Pipe House, and the beach is right over here. So we're gonna go ahead and walk over and check out the beach. It never gets old, the smell of the ocean breeze and the salt water. It's so cool that this location is so close to the ocean. I mean, literally less than 2 minutes and you're here at the ocean. So right over there is Tamarindo, and that's where we were the other day when we were having the meal and walked down to the beach. let me see if I can zoom in here and kind of show you where it's at. So that's where we were on the beach the other day in Tamarindo. And over here, they have an area that's a river that you can actually cross with the water taxi. I think it costs you like a couple bucks. They have little boats that take you across. So you can walk over to Tamarindo from here, which is Playa Grande. Here at Playa Grande, and this is the morning, I'd say about 7 o'clock, and low tide. And this is how the beach looks. Beautiful morning. Some surfers out there already. With this low tide, look at all the shells that are on the beach here. This goes for a long, long ways. And good morning from the Pipe House here. I think I'm going to speak a little bit softer here because I think people are still sleeping. But they offer a breakfast here as you stay. So, people here are really nice. We met the owner of the Pipe House this morning, and he stopped by and said hello. And yeah, we walked to the beach, got a chance to see the low tide, and of course pick up some shells. And now we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the breakfast here. Okay, first one to have breakfast. Start with a cup of coffee. Costa Rican coffee, really good. We'll start with some watermelon and some papaya. Watermelon. I haven't had watermelon in a while. Really good. Papaya. It's ripe.
Better watermelon.
Okay, breakfast has arrived. This is a very nice, typical Costa Rican breakfast, right? Cacio pinto, tortilla, fried eggs, plantains, and some sausage. Okay, try some of these cacio pinto here. Looks really good. Really good. That sausage. I think it's a link sausage. Nice. A little bit spice to it. It was good. Handmade tortilla. Freshly made here. I'm gonna try this tortilla first without anything in it. Homemade tortillas are so good. You can put some sausage and egg in it. Egg in here, like so. Throw the sausage in here, like so. There you go. Like a little mini taco, I guess. Oh, yeah. Very nice. This is definitely a bigger breakfast than we got at the Pyramid Lodge. Got a plantain here. It's a sweet plantain. Very good. If you go to a typical Costa Rican restaurant for breakfast, this is what you get. Eggs and gallo pinto and tortilla. Very good. Okay guys, that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video of the Pipe House. We had a great time here. The owner, Felipe, wonderful guy, really treated us well. Also the staff was really good here at the Pipe House. Also we got an opportunity to meet some other travelers and got a chance to talk to them. So it's more of a social environment here at the Pipe House because you're sharing common space, whether it be the kitchen or whether it be the lounging area, also the fitness area, and you just have a place to sleep. Now the beds were really soft, really comfortable. The AC worked out great in there, and yeah. So beyond that, I mean, the location was quiet, private, close to the beach. If you're coming to the Tamarindo area, think about staying at the Playa Grande. It's right across the waterway, and it's really close to the beach. And it's also a little bit more quieter than the traditional Tamarindo areas where there are a lot more tourists around and a little bit more hectic and busy. So if you want a little bit of peace of mind and a little bit more quieter space, come check out the Pipe House. It was a really unique opportunity to sleep here. Kind of reminded me of the Capsule hotels in Japan. So it's a kind of a fun area. Also, if you're an individual, perfect for individual, you get to meet other people and enjoy the time. If you liked today's video, be sure to smash that like button. I appreciate your support, and we'll see you guys back in the next video. Bye-bye.